Anything that you could possibly think of that's detail related, we do it here. We'll take on any vehicle whatsoever. We're not just a detail shop for the dealership, but we'll do any vehicle whether you bought it here or not. We're proud to offer the new premium 9H ceramic coating here at the Bill Cole Automall. This is going to preserve the life of your clear coat, the life of your paint. So when people get cell phones, the first thing you do is you put a cell phone case, tempered glass on the front, graded at a 9H hardness on the hardness scale. So once we apply that to your exterior of your car, once it cures into a 9H hardness. So it's basically like having a tempered glass over your vehicle's paint to take the everyday beat and the abuse instead of your clear coat and paint taking the issues.
The 9H application also includes a 7-year warranty covering paint, upholstery, leather, and plastic, and protection against rips, tears, or burns.
To learn more about our 9H ceramic coating or to schedule your appointment here at the Bill Cole Automall,
call 304-325-COLE.